Beneath the scrubs, Florida's nurse Imposter exposed after treating nearly 4,500 patients without a license. Imagine being cared for by someone you believe to be a nurse, but she wasn't real. Share your thoughts below. What would you do if you found out? And don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping stories. In a startling case of medical deception, Autumn Marie Bardisa, 29, was arrested in Florida after allegedly masquerading as a registered nurse and treating 4,486 patients over several months. Authorities are now describing it as one of the most alarming instances of medical fraud in recent memory. Bardisa reportedly worked at Advent Health Palm Coast Parkway, securing employment in July 2023 as an advanced nurse technician. Although she claimed to have completed nursing education, she had never passed the national licensing exam. Later, she falsely asserted that she had passed and produced a nurse's license number belonging to another person, one who shared her first name but had a different surname. When asked to reconcile the surname discrepancy, Bardisa attributed it to a recent marriage, but she never produced a marriage certificate despite repeated requests. The deception unraveled in January 2025 when Bardisa was up for a promotion. A vigilant colleague discovered she only held an expired Certified Nursing Assistant (CNA) license, prompting the hospital to terminate her employment on January 22, 2025, and alert authorities. Following the hospital's report, a 7-month investigation ensued, drawing on local, state, and federal agencies, including the Flagler County Sheriff's Office, the Florida Department of Health, and the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. On August 5, 2025, Bardisa was arrested at her Palm Coast residence, allegedly still wearing scrubs, on 7 counts each of practicing healthcare without a license and fraudulent use of personal identification information. She is currently jailed on a $70,000 bond, pending her court appearance, reportedly scheduled for early September. Sheriff Rick Staley called the case one of the most disturbing cases of medical fraud we've ever investigated, warning of the enormous risk posed to patient safety and community trust. Anyone who believes they may have been treated by Bardisa is urged to reach out via the specially created email address, fakenursecase@flaglersheriff.com. Why this story captivates. Betrayal of trust. Patients assume healthcare providers are thoroughly vetted. A breach like this shakes that confidence. Systemic gaps exposed. Raises urgent questions about credential verification and oversight in medical hiring practices. Sheer scale and potential harm. Nearly 4,500 people were affected, a figure that compels attention. Unfolding legal drama. With charges mounting and criminal proceedings ahead, it's a real-time story. Begin your video with a hook to prompt comments and subscriptions. Then transition into the rewritten news report. Clear, succinct, and factual. Wrap up by inviting viewers to share their thoughts. What measures should hospitals strengthen to prevent such scams? Let us know in the comments, and hit that subscribe button to stay informed.
Did you know that over 95% of our viewers aren't subscribed to the channel? We totally get it. Life gets busy, and sometimes it's easy to forget. But here's the thing. Subscribing is completely free, and it really helps us keep creating the content you enjoy. So why not hit that subscribe button and join our community? It only takes a second, but it makes a world of difference to us. Thank you for your support.